Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to stake Athene Atn on the Athene network app. First thing you need to do is open up the app. Then next thing you're going to do is you scroll until you see stake under investment. So tap on stake. Once you open up this part, then you can see the total Atn sent, total profit, total number of participants, current pool balance. Then you can see your account, total Atn sent, total profit, and then you can just tap on view details to see the interest rate, number of participants sent, and everything you can see. So you can deposit it by tapping on send money. You see how much you reward this settlement date. So, but you can still withdraw before the settlement date, but you should incur a fee of 10% of the deposited amount. Tap on confirm. Then you have to put in the amount that you want to deposit from your balance. That is. Then tap on confirm. As you can see, I have insufficient balance. If I didn't, it would have worked. So once you've gotten the number of ATNs you need and everything, then you can stake. This is for sending money. So as you can see, that is how to do it. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.